mentioned the Nantucket gusts, 73 miles an hour, just 1 mile per hour under hurricane force. I doubt we've seen it peak out quite yet. So this is a very powerful storm indeed, no question. Already is and still gaining strength. And you can see the gusts as they're projected. Look at the area at 7 o'clock in the morning. Really, Boston, right along I-95 and all points south and east projected to have wind gusts of greater than 50 miles an hour, in some cases greater than 60 miles per hour, and still very windy at lunchtime. Look at Hyannis, projected to have a wind gust of 62 miles an hour. Not quite as strong, but still windy with all that snow that will be on the ground to Tuesday evening, and then the winds at least abate to some extent by the time we get to Wednesday. That's the wind part of the story. How about snowfall? It's been heaviest so far down over Cape Cod because that's where the snow came in first. Sandwich is up to 8 inches of snow now. Harwich 6.5, Oak Bluff 6, Falmouth 5, Eastham at least 4. So you've got at least 4 to 8 inches already on the Cape, and a lot of tons of blowing and drifting, as you've already seen from our reports. Here's the lower visibility. As you can see, you outline the gray area now across all of southern New England, and then you have areas that are really down low. And now you can see good bands of moderate to perhaps heavy snow at times outlining I-95, the North Shore, south and east. And this is really where I think the potential exists for the highest amounts in the end with this storm. Visibility is all a half mile, meaning moderate snow, or quarter mile, meaning heavy snow, down in Hyannis. Here's the bands now. We're in this large area. Notice from the beginning of the heavy bands all the way down here, it's now a very, very wide area because the storm continues to intensify and wrap Atlantic Ocean moisture in up against very, very cold surface temperatures, especially from Boston westward. There's the circulation of the storm bringing moisture, and it's been developing very quickly. It's one of these storms that tomorrow will probably look like it has an eye on the satellite. The very, very intense storms, even the winter-type storms, do take on a look like that. So here come the bands of snow. One of the hardest things to forecast, what about the western edge of the heavy snow? Is it going to be the Worcester Hills? Will it be the Berkshires? Will it be New York, western Long Island? That's questionable, but the area from Worcester east, especially closer to the coastline, really looks to be the area that gets walloped with the biggest accumulations. So this is the way it goes in time as the storm intensifies. Look at the heavy snow bands in southern and eastern New England. And then it's not until Tuesday evening that the storm even begins to get abreast of us and then weakens and moves away, and the snow finally comes to an end last along the coast. That was the wide view. Here's the close look, and you see the bands of snow. Very, very reluctant to end along the coastline, meaning the North Shore and the South Shore, which is another reason why I think the highest amounts may wind up there in the end. Another thing to show you are a couple of different computer models. This is the most aggressive in terms of the amount of snow, showing a wide area of 20+ inches, as well as taking a foot all the way to the Berkshires. Now, there's another model that has the amounts drop off dramatically once you get west of Worcester to only a couple of inches of the Berkshires. So that's why I say that's a bit of a wild card. But Boston, I-95, South Shore, even most of Cape Cod, it is a walloping with the potential to reach 2 inches or a little more. My best estimate is 10 to 18 on the Cape, 18 to 24 out to about Worcester, and then a diminishment from the northwest Worcester Hills westward. So we'll get to the 7-day forecast in a minute, but there's one other very, very important thing to talk about, and that is the coastline. And here's Mike.
Absolutely, Harvey. You know, we're going to be approaching midnight here very shortly, so it's going to be about 4 hours before things really start to be deteriorating along the coastline. And I want to talk about these tides just one last time before you go to bed. 4:27, 5 o'clock. Those are the tides we're watching. Now, 10.5 feet, that's the baseline of everything. But then we start adding this surge. 3 to 4 feet on top of that. Add to that 15 to 25 feet. So this is the big issue that we have. And of course, one of the big concerns we're going to have is the severe beach erosion that's going to be taking place as well. Right now, there is a coastal flood warning all up and down the coast. And in fact, we're going to be focusing on a lot of areas and for different reasons. As you look out towards Nantucket, beach erosion, the big issue there. Same thing with Chatham, all the way out to P-Town, a lot of beach erosion. In Sandwich, that water piles up as it moves into Cape Cod Bay and just builds that water up. John Atwater's down there. Jorge's sitting in Scituate right now, and he has got just a direct exposure to the ocean. In fact, Jorge is almost out in the ocean. He's out there on Cedar Point right now. As you travel up through the North Shore, Plum Island, a barrier island. In other words, all sand. We start bringing the wind and waves at that, and that's why the big concern is going to be there. We'll be watching both high tides, especially that first one tomorrow morning. Harvey?
All right, thank you, Mike. Also watching the potential for power outages along the coast, especially down toward the Cape where the snow is somewhat wetter. There it is over your next 7 days. We improve on Wednesday. We're dry on Thursday. Small system, it appears now, may come through Thursday night, Friday night. Chance of small accumulation. Nothing like what we're experiencing right now, and a cold weekend coming up. Ed